be showing you how to make fluffy slimes. So let's go in the video. So to make a fluffy slime, you'll need 100 ml of water, empty cup, glue, borax or the activator that you are using. We are going to make the activator, a spatula, a dropper or a spoon, and another spoon. You'll need to food coloring and foam. So let's start. Now take the 100 ml of water and add, and then mix it. Then now take the glue and pour it in. Now take the foam and add it. You need to add a lot. I'm going for the color. You'll need only some. Now mix it. Make sure the glue and the foam are mixed together, otherwise the slime will not be created. Now take it with a dropper or the spoon and pour the activator little by little. The slime is getting activated, but it's not powerful enough. Hey guys, have you subscribed to the channel? Maybe that's why it's not getting mixed. I'll give you 3 seconds to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 3, 2, 1. Okay. It's getting powerful. So let's add more. And pour it little by little, or the slime will be overactivated, which is not what we need. Mix it until the slime does not stick to the walls of the cup. It'll take a time. You'll need some patience. You can also skip the foam if you want normal slime, but I'm going for fluffy slime. So we are gonna finish. There is only a little part that is needed to be activated in the bottom. If you overactivate the slime will not be a slime. It will not be sticky and if you massage it nice, it won't be sticky anymore. But sticky slimes are good. They are the best slimes. So the slime is so fluffy and so stretchy. So you can also make normal slime without foam. And if you want to make some liquidy slimes, you can add water to the glue. Hope you guys enjoyed making this slime with me today. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the video and click the notification bells for more videos like this. Let's see the amount of bubbles it's making. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.